So how do you put the iPad writing over a video? Let's get started. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss videos like this one. Essentially, on your iPad, you need to use a video editor to perform these changes. So for example, a lot of people stick with the iMovie, which is the Apple's official video editor for the iPad. It's a basic one where you can technically add the text layer over your video clip and add some writing over it, but it's not going to be that professional. I would say that the next step above it would be to get the video editor of this like medium range sort, something like CapCut, which is professional enough and lets you add a text and, customize it, change the size, the animated, whatever, and end up with a very nice result. So CapCut is actually a very good editor of mine, like my favorite, which I use quite a lot for my projects. However, you can then go one step above that and get the Final Cut for the iPad, but that one is much more professional and the learning curve is much steeper than with the CapCut. So I would just stick with that, stick with the CapCut, and there you can just add the text very simply. And as I said, you can move it around or do whatever you gotta do, and that's how you end up with a writing or a text over your video, right? So that's how it works. One last option which I want to mention is that you can use your iPad to screen record your notes where you literally just draw or write the text with your Apple Pencil, and that can also be used in your projects like video edits. In the CapCut, we have that feature as well, where you can import that like scribbling or drawing and remove the background and end up with this like nice result where everything just shows on the screen and you can see the writing right there and it just looks fine. So that's another alternative. So if you have some other questions about this, let me know below. Thanks a lot. Hit the thumbs up for more tutorials and I'll see you later.